Okay guys, today we're making butter slime. Yay! Okay, so for this recipe we're gonna need some cornstarch. We're also gonna need some activator. I'm just using the borax solution, which is 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of hot water. Also, you're going to need a small bowl and a bigger bowl. Sorry, mine are dirty because I made this recipe earlier and I used the same bowl. And then you're also going to need some shampoo. Where to focus? There we go. Going to need some shampoo. I am just using Pantene. And then you're also going to need some Elmer's school glue. I have not tried it with Elmer's Glue All. You can, but I wouldn't risk for ruining the recipe. Let's get on to the video. Okay, so take your smaller bowl and take some of your shampoo and put a little bit in the bowl. Put a little bit more in than I did because I put 2 less. And then this is optional. I'm just dyeing it with 2 drops of yellow food coloring. And then I am stirring it until it becomes a yellow color. Next, we're going to need some school glue. Like I said before, you can use Glue All, but it might make the the slime thicker, and I don't know if you want that, but then just put a little bit more glue in than you did shampoo. Again, put some more glue in and some more shampoo in because I put 2 less for the amount of cornstarch we're needing. So, just put some more in. Then mix that together until it's all incorporated in with each other. Now, here comes the cornstarch. So, you're going to need quite a lot of cornstarch for this recipe, but for now, just put in about 2 tablespoons. Well, right now, okay, so 2 tablespoons, one at a time. Mix them in. This is my first tablespoon. Yeah. Now finish mixing all of the cornstarch in it until it's all incorporated. Okay, now you're going to need 1 more tablespoon, just around, it doesn't have to be exact, of cornstarch. Mix that all together until it's fully incorporated with the glue and shampoo mixture. Okay, so now I'm just going to activate it. I'm not sure why I used this because this was way too little, but I'm using 1/2 teaspoon at a time, and I'm putting 3 in, so it's 1.5 teaspoons altogether of the borax solution. So when you mix it all together, it will feel like it's all the way activated because of the shampoo it makes mixed with the water in the borax solution. Becomes all bubbly and makes the outside feel activated, but once you start mixing with your hands, it becomes sticky. So I do recommend keeping it in the container and mixing it around and keep on adding borax before you pick it up, unlike me. This took a while for me to get all the slime off my hands, really, because the borax was like covering the slime on my fingers to make it like not really stick to the slime, the bigger piece of the slime, to get it off, so it was kind of hard to get off. So just keep it in the bowl and be patient. Okay, so right now it feels like kind of like a deflated fluffy slime, which we are not done. This is definitely not butter slime. It's, I guess, a little stretchy, and it is pretty fun to play with. But if you want a butter slime, just keep on going with this recipe. Okay, so here's when you're gonna need your bigger bowl. So take your bigger bowl and put your slime in it. And then take 3 tablespoons, well, around 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and try to incorporate that into the slime. I do recommend putting lotion in the slime before adding the second round of cornstarch, well, the 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, because it gets really hard to mix it in unless the slime is a little sticky, maybe. I don't know, but you could do exactly what I did and it'd work out for you also. Do you hear that noise? It's so weird. Okay, so I got it all the way incorporated. Now I'm just adding 2 more tablespoons of cornstarch. And as you can see, not very well because it's going so fast, but it got really, really, really thick. And I don't know why. I mean, cornstarch, it would make something thick. Like, why wouldn't it? But usually when I've made butter slime before with not that much cornstarch, the cornstarch like melts the slime. And this did nothing to the slime. I think it just reacted to it differently. I'm not sure. But it just made it really, really thick. Not really like butter slime. It had a super amazing texture though. It was so cool. But it was definitely not done because it was too thick and more like clay than butter slime. Okay, so now I'm kind of attempting to do the butter stick spread. That is what I call it. I don't know what you guys call it, but that's what I call it. And I'm attempting to do that, but since this is so ridiculously thick, it just took the whole butter stick with it. Now guys, this is exactly why in the beginning I told you to add more glue and more shampoo than I did, because it wouldn't become this thick and you wouldn't have to go through all this surgery like I did. So I'm just adding some lotion because mine was too thick, so I'm adding it to make it just, I don't know, softer, or even if it does get stickier, I could activate it back and it'd be better. I don't know. So I'm just mixing that around, and yeah. It is pretty spreadable, which I like that, but I'm just adding some more lotion because it is still really, really, really thick. It is so weird. But guys, I cannot tell you enough how amazing this texture is. Like, I'm not even kidding. This texture is like the best. Like, oh my gosh, it is just so cool. And if you guys can see, maybe not right now because I'm mixing it around, but if you guys see, it's like bubbling up on the corners, or like looking almost jagged. That's kind of what happens if you just like leave it out. And so I had it in a container for a while, and then I got it out and it was all bubbly and like that. And then so I started playing with it, and it was stringy and soft, and it felt exactly like kinetic sand. It was like exactly that. It was so cool. Alright, so now I'm just adding a little bit more lotion just to make it a little bit more, I don't know, you know what I'm saying. Okay. Also, I added a little bit of glue to this because, once again, I did not add enough glue in shampoo, so I just added some more glue. It got sticky, so I activated it, and then I overactivated it, so I needed to add more lotion, and that's all that happened. I just edited it out, so just saying. Alright, last attempt to the butter stick spread. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Just look at how beautiful that is. That was just amazing. Alright, time of amazingness. That was great. Okay, so this was a success, and I think it is the most beautiful thing I have ever felt in my life. This feels, seriously, I'm not kidding, like a marshmallow, kinetic sand, and a cloud. That's just what it feels like. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I had such a fun time making this amazing butter slime. I hope you try it out. It is so cool. And see you in my next video. Bye.